Welcome to the Bentley Systems training course, where you will learn how to import a STAAD.Pro Superstructure into STAAD Foundation Advanced in preparation for designing a mat foundation below the supported columns. This workflow will include the following steps: performing the analysis in STAAD.Pro, importing the superstructure into STAAD Foundation Advanced, and specifying the mat foundation options, load cases, and load combinations. Let's start with STAAD.Pro. As you can see, the superstructure model has already been created, which includes the model geometry, properties, specifications, and supports. If you look a little further, you will also notice that the load cases, load combinations, and analysis commands have also been defined. Before the superstructure is imported into STAAD Foundation Advanced, the model must be analyzed to ensure the support reactions will be available for the mat foundation design. The superstructure can be analyzed in STAAD.Pro before it is imported into STAAD Foundation Advanced, or the model can be analyzed during the import process if the STAAD.Pro analysis is not available. For this exercise, we will perform the analysis in STAAD.Pro. To do that, select the Analysis and Design tab from the ribbon toolbar. Then, click on the Run Analysis icon. Once the analysis is complete, close the model in STAAD.Pro. Then, launch STAAD Foundation Advanced. In the STAAD Foundation Advanced Start screen, click on the Import STAAD.Pro Model icon. This tool will allow you to import a STAAD.Pro Superstructure in preparation for the foundation design. The following information from STAAD.Pro will import into STAAD Foundation Advanced. All members will be imported as physical members with the appropriate section properties, material properties, beta angles, and offsets. All plates will be imported as surfaces with the appropriate plate thickness and stresses. All loads, load cases, load combinations, and load envelopes will be imported. And finally, the reactions for each support node, for each load case, and for each load combination will be imported. Our first step in importing a STAAD.Pro model is to select the model by browsing to its location. Once the model is selected, enter the unit system and datum level. For simplicity, we will use the same unit system and datum level from the STAAD.Pro model. Automatically, the axis system from the STAAD.Pro model will be the same in STAAD Foundation Advanced. Once the general information is set, look at the Import Settings options. For this example, let's select the Import with Option checkbox. This will allow you to make some changes upon import, including specifying the placement point, load case types, and load combination types. Once you are ready, click on the Create button. In the Model Import dialog, select the Import Options tab. Upon import, you will have the option to specify the model placement in STAAD Foundation Advanced. This will allow you to shift the model along with its loading system by specifying the reference node and the placement node. If we leave these options set to their default, then the placement of the model in STAAD Foundation Advanced will be the same as the model in STAAD.Pro. Next, look at the imported load cases and combinations. To review the load cases from the STAAD.Pro model, click on the Edit button. Notice that the load case types in STAAD.Pro were successfully brought into STAAD Foundation Advanced. The associate load case types can be used in STAAD Foundation Advanced if you plan to model additional loads applied directly to the foundation, or if you plan to generate load combinations for analysis or design. To review and edit the load combination types, click on the Select button. In STAAD Foundation Advanced, load combinations can be one of two types: service or ultimate. Service load combinations will be used to check the mat foundation against the allowable bearing pressure or to evaluate the footing stability. Ultimate load combinations will be used to check the shear design and the reinforcement design for the mat foundation. The STAAD.Pro model we are using in this exercise already contains service and ultimate load combinations. But upon import, it's important to review and verify the load combination types. By default, all load combinations with a 1.0 load factor on the dead load case will be set as service load combinations, while the rest are set as ultimate. For this model, we do have some service load combinations with a 0.6 factor on the dead load case, so I'm going to ensure that those load combinations are set to service in STAAD Foundation Advanced. Once you are satisfied with the load combination types, click Apply. Now that we have entered all of the import options, we are ready to officially import the model. To do that, click on the Import button. After the import is completed successfully, you are ready to model, analyze, and design the foundation system for the superstructure in STAAD Foundation Advanced.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. If you want to see more like it, please consider subscribing to this and Bentley's other channels. Thank you, and see you next time.